The West Svartisen Ice-cap is an ice-cap glacier occupying 201 square kilometers (78 sq mi) of the coastal area of central Norway, just inside the Arctic Circle. Most of the glacier is around 1,000 meters above sea level on a high plateau. The ice cap owes its existence to the high snowfall rates in the region, rather than the cold temperatures, similar to other glaciers close by such as the Jostedalsbreen glacier. The surface on the top of the plateau feeds many outlet glaciers, including the Engabreen glacier. The status of the glacier is unknown, although some of the outlet glaciers are advancing and gaining ice mass. References